why your Hondas are better than everybody else's Hondas.
Yes.
T, there's Honda stores all over the state of California. I don't know if the number's 100 of them or 50 or 150. But here's what I'm going to tell you that's going to sound a little bit crazy. T, the Hondas at Galpin Honda are better than anybody else's Honda. Now, do you believe that?
No.
No, nor should you. Because let's face it, they're all built in the same place, aren't they?
Yes.
They are all equal when they come off the assembly line. They are all equal when they go on to the trucks. They are all equal when they land at the different Honda stores, not just in California, but all around the country. But once they get to Galpin Honda, they become better Hondas. Now, let me explain. Our vehicles come with 6 warranties that other Hondas don't come with. Okay? If you buy a Honda from another Honda store and you get a ding or a dent, do you think Honda's going to fix the ding or the dent for you?
No.
Honda doesn't warranty dings and dents. Other Honda stores don't warranty dings and dents. We're going to give you, is it 1 year?
1 year.
We're going to give you 1 year of paintless dent repair, which means we'll fix an unlimited number of dings and dents over the next 12 months. What's that going to do for you? Well, certainly it's going to keep your car looking better, but have you ever checked to see what it costs to fix a ding or dent the size of a dime using the paintless dent repair process?
Yes.
How much is it?
$250.
It's about $50 or $60. It's not $250. Okay?
I got jacked.
Yeah, you probably did. Now, if it's as big as a credit card size, it could be up to $1.50. All right. However, most people don't get those fixed. Obviously, you've never paid to have one fixed, have you?
No.
But you end up paying for the ding or the dent anyway. You know how?
How?
When you trade or sell the car, someone's going to deduct from the value of the vehicle. By the way, is that true? Yes. What percentage of the people that get a ding or a dent today in LA County Google nearest paintless dent repair place near me?
Less than 1%.
Less than 1% is the right answer. Nobody gets them fixed. Nobody knows how much it would cost to get them fixed. And most of them don't know that they end up paying for the dings and dents sooner or later. Why? Because they're not in the car business. They don't understand our business. They don't understand the little things that make a big difference in the value of their vehicle. Does Honda warranty the dings and dents?
No.
Does Jaguar?
No.
Does Volvo?
No.
Does Porsche?
No.
Ford? No. You do. So your Honda is a better Honda, but we don't stop there. Your alloy wheels, your steel wheels, they are susceptible to scraping on curbs, most often going through fast food drive-ins or bank drive-ins. Have you ever scraped a wheel, T?
Yes.
Did you look into how much it would cost to get it fixed?
No.
Most people don't. It's going to be $100 to $150. Your wheels are warranted at Galpin Honda. You scrape your wheel 1 time or 100 times over the next year, we will fix the wheel. What's that going to do for you? Keeps your vehicle looking better, keeps money in your pocket, and it will increase your resale value. Other Honda stores aren't going to fix your wheels. Honda's not going to fix your wheels. T, if you lose a key fob, will Honda replace that key fob for you?
No.
Sure they will, for about $400. All right? But it's not warranted. Have you ever lost a key fob?
No.
Good for you, because if you had, you'd know that it costs $300, $400, $500 to replace it. Let me tell you a story. In April of last year, I bought a new Honda Pilot. In May, I went to the airport, dropped it off, parked it, flew here, flew there, flew back, came back, no key fob. Lost it somewhere between Greensboro, North Carolina and Sarasota, Florida. $55 Uber ride home to get the other key. $55 Uber ride back to the car. Off to the dealership, $375 to replace the key fob. Almost $500 because I didn't have key replacement. When you buy a Galpin Honda, you get key replacement complimentary for the first year. And by the way, these benefits can be extended, T. All you need to do is talk to one of our finance managers. They'll show you how to extend them out to 2, 3, 4, 5 years. But we're not done. T, if you get a scratch or interior damage, we're going to warranty that as well. If your windshield gets a small crack, no bigger than $1 or $50, we're going to fix that for you at no cost. All these warranties come with Galpin Honda. They don't come with any other Hondas in the state of California. Now, do you believe our Hondas are just a little bit better than everybody else's?
Yes.
Okay. That's how you've got to create value and keep it new. Are your Fords better? Yes. Are your Highlines better? Yes, they are. But if you cannot communicate that properly to a consumer, they're not going to see the value in it, and they're not going to pay you what you deserve to get for these vehicles. Are you taking notes while I'm talking?
Mm-hmm. I'm recording.
Yeah?
Yep. It's better than taking notes. I
Really?
can play in my car.
Okay.